In Monkey Town, bananas were the currency of choice. You want jungle juice? That's 3 bananas. New vine swing, 10 bananas. But bananas rot, they get mushy. And Gorilla Gang stole monkey savings in the night. Then Techie Monkey yelled, "Let's make digital bananas." Boom. Crypto was born, a jungle currency made of code. No Pele, no Mo, just pure banana math. So how does it work? Monkeys use something called blockchain. Every BananaCoin trade is locked into a public monkey ledger. That means no monkey can cheat the system. Each monkey has a digital wallet. Only they can open it. But how do we get more BananaCoins? Mining, solve puzzles, unlock bananas, but mining takes jungle power. Coconut gets overloaded. So monkeys trade BananaCoins online instead of hauling fruit, but prices go crazy. Today, your coin buys 10 coconuts. Tomorrow, half a nut. Still, many monkeys hold, and some use BananaCoins to buy jungle goods if vendors allow. But beware, scammer apes create fake coins. Banana move, so never swing in without research, or you'll slip. Crypto is new. It's wild, and it might be the jungle's future. But remember, never invest more bananas than you can lose. So, swing smart, learn more, and protect your bunch. Like juicy jungle knowledge. Subscribe for more MonkeyBanana Economics.